Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. This is me, Namrata. Hope you all are doing well. And in today's video, I'm gonna share with you something which I absolutely love, how I do my eyebrows. That is something I do on daily basis. No matter I apply makeup or not, eyebrow products, I don't consider that as makeup. That's my natural thing, my thing, because naturally I don't have eyebrows. The thing you are seeing right here, I don't have even 2% of it, so I always make it up. Anyway, so I'm gonna use two different products for both my eyebrows, and one would be a cheap drugstore one, this side, and this side is a high-end product. But you can't see any big differences, right? It's completely same, and I'm really excited to share with you how incredible these products are, especially the drugstore one. But before I get into the main part, make sure you hit the subscribe button below along with the notification bell. That's really important for me. So yeah, now without doing any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So at first, let me introduce with the new product. So this is the product I'm talking about. This is Maybelline Tattoo Studio Eyebrow Pomade, and I picked the shade 380. This is deep brown. I hope it will match with ANASTASIA deep brow shade, that is Ebony. Anyway, this is how the packaging looks like. You can see the pomade right here, and it also comes with such brush, eyebrow brush with an angled brush in one side and the spoolie brush on the other. I think it's really thoughtful of them that they're giving such a perfect eyebrow brush with their eyebrow product. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has a heavy glass container with a plastic cap. I think it's completely similar with the Eye Studio gel liner. I'll be putting the picture somewhere on the screen. It's completely same. If you have that one, then you know how it looks and how it feels. It's only 3 grams and that priced for $9.99 in Target, so you'll be getting this product within $10, which is way cheaper than the AVH one. So let's try this out, and let me show you the brush. I haven't used any of the product yet, so this is how the brush looks like. I think it will be a good one. Till date I haven't used any applicator comes with any eyebrow product, so let's see. Wow, it's perfect. I think I use the e.l.f. eyebrow brush. That's my favorite, and it's pretty similar to that. I'm really happy with the quality and everything about this brush, so I'm gonna use it to apply this product. And today I'll be using another eyebrow product also by Maybelline, this one, in case I need any further filling up. So this is called Brow Define and Fill Duo, also in the shade deep brown. So these two products will be used on this eyebrow, and for the other one I'll be using two Anastasia Beverly Hills product. This is their famous deep brow. I'm in the shade Ebony, and the other one is called Brow Wiz. Almost the similar product with this one. I'm obsessed with brow products because you can see it's pathetic. Every time I step out I need to do my eyebrows, so I have like n numbers of eyebrow products. So today it will be fun to use two different eyebrow products on both of my eyebrows. So one will be high-end, another one will be a newly launched drugstore product. I slightly zoomed in the camera so that you can see the application properly. So I'm using the brush comes with the Maybelline one, and I'm going to use the Maybelline product on this eyebrow. So at first, brushing off the bare brow. Wow, it's creamy. I'm taking teeny tiny amount of product on the brush, and I'll be starting from this section, not from the beginning. I'm simply outlining my eyebrow right now and creating a good arch. It's really great. I'm loving the formula. It's quite pigmented, as you can see, and not very waxy. I think the formula is little thicker than the AVH one. AVH one is like very soft, glides very smoothly. It doesn't, so it's easier to work with, and there is I think a less chance to make mistakes. So yeah, it's a good one. wow, you can see how effortlessly I've done most of the part, although it's not yet done, far from that. And I'm taking a little more product onto the brush, and I'll make sure there is no sparse area, so I'm filling it up. I mean, it's perfect. Why would I spend $30 on eyebrow pomade when I get it in $10? And now I'm gonna take care of the inner corner of my eyebrows. This is the most sophisticated area. You can't go very harsh in this section. You have to be very light-handed and make sure there is no much product on your brush or applicator. So just give such upward strokes and make sure this part is blending well with the section you started from. I mean, this section, it should look well blended. And at the end, take a little more product and outline the lower part. And if you want, you can go a little heavy with the tail, I mean the end section. And once you are done applying the pigment, make sure you brush your eyebrow thoroughly using such spoolie brush. You can use a separate one, or this kind of brushes are like the perfect one for doing your brows. And it always makes everything look even. There shouldn't be any harsh line, and it really helps to, you know, blend the product at the end. So this is an important step. And it's done. I'm really happy the way it looked. It's nothing less than the ABH DIPBROW pomade. I'm impressed. It's like only $10, and you can see how well defined my eyebrow is looking right now. And you can see this one, you can see the difference, right? It's huge. I mean, it's a highly recommended product. If it's available in your place, grab this one. You definitely love it. It's really great. I don't know how long it will stay in a good condition. I mean, if it's drying, I really don't know. I'm using it for the first time. It's a first impression, but I'm really impressed. And now let's start with this eyebrow. I'm gonna use the ABH DIPBROW pomade, this one right here. It's already my favorite, but from now on, this is my favorite too. It's really great. So this is how the ABH packaging looks like. It's a little bigger than this one, and this one, ABH one, contains 4 grams of product in it, and this one is 3 grams, as I mentioned earlier. So yeah, it has a little bit more product, but if you see it from price aspect, then it's way costlier. So let's apply it. I'm gonna use my regular e.l.f. eyebrow brush to apply this product. So this is how the e.l.f. brush looks like, almost the same but a little longer than the Maybelline eyebrow brush that comes with the pomade. But this e.l.f. one is really a good cheap option in drugstore. And see how much I already used from the ABH DIPBROW. And now let's dig in. I'm gonna follow the same method. I'm taking very little amount of product onto the brush. Okay, I simply outlined the outer section of my eyebrow with a good well-defined arch. And one thing, when you are working with the ABH one, you have to go with very light hand throughout your brow. It has very soft, buttery, waxy texture, which is great. But if you're a beginner, then I would say this is the best option for you. Rather, you can opt for this one. It has a little bit hold to it in that texture, so yeah, it's really easy to work with rather than this one. I'm taking a little more product, and I will go with the lower outer line, and also filling up the middle section. Otherwise it might get dry, and that will look patchy if you can't blend it before it's too late. And it's not only with this. Whenever you are applying any DIPBROW pomade or any eyebrow pomade, I mean gel, make sure you are blending it quickly. And now I'm going to take care of the inner section of my brow as I did in this brow. At the end I do this. Just give such upward strokes. You don't have to outline the upper section of this part. And at the end, make sure everything is looking even and well blended. And both my eyebrows are done. You can see how natural yet bold it's looking right now. I really love doing my eyebrow. I don't know why, but I'm really not sure if my eyebrows are looking same. I'm really happy with this product particularly. This is my favorite and still the #1 in the market, but this one, it's cheaper, drugstore product, available everywhere. So this is really a good buy. I'm really happy with it. But at the end, I always apply eyebrow gel. Today I'm going to use this one. This is the COVERGIRL Professional Natural Lash. This is their transparent mascara. You can use such mascara or you can go with any tinted eyebrow gel. It has a good hold to it, so it helps to keep your eyebrows on place and make this long lasting. And again, you have to go with very less amount. Get rid of all the excess product from this pulley and just give such upward strokes. And now I'd say it's completely done. I'm really happy with my brows today. Although I used 2 different products, but you can't see any difference, right? And one more thing, let me show you the shades. Although it's looking same on my brow, I believe, but in container there is tad bit difference. Okay, let me show you. Look, this is the ANASTASIA one and the Maybelline. And as I said, I'm gonna apply this concealer around my eyebrows. It's little lighter than my skin tone, so that will really help to highlight around my eyebrows. And this kind of brushes are really good for applying concealer. And I'm back with full face of makeup, and as you can see, my brows are looking still good as before. And now it's all dry. You can't see any pigment whatsoever. It all set, but try to use that eyebrow gel I used at the end, that transparent mascara. That really helps to keep your eyebrows on place and long lasting. So yeah, this is how I do my eyebrow. I hope you like this video. And the eye makeup I'm wearing here, I also filmed this part, and I'll be uploading a fun mini tutorial on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. I'll be mentioning the Insta link in the description box below. Check that out, and all the details are also there. And yeah, if you like watching this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be back with the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.